Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. We will be making chili cheese fritters today. This is a fusion recipe of the age-old chili fritters. Here we'll be making it cheesy. These are the simple ingredients needed for the stuffing. So let's slit the chilies and use the handle of a small spoon to scoop out the seeds from the inside. You have to be extra careful while doing this because you don't want to damage the chilies. This snack can be a great companion with your evening tea or coffee. Now let's start with the filling. Finely chop a tablespoon of coriander leaves. Take a bowl and add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Put the chopped coriander leaves and add a pinch of salt and pepper powder. Give it a good mix. Start filling it inside the chilies carefully. You can see that the stuffing part is over. Now let's check the ingredients for the coating. In a fresh bowl, take half cup of besan. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda. Add a little water and mix everything together. While mixing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. Keep adding the water in batches and continue mixing it. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix in well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything together till you get a smooth, thick paste like this. Don't make it too runny. Pour enough oil for deep frying the fritters. Let the oil heat up while we start coating the picador chilies. Coat it well from all sides carefully. See that the filling does not come out. Add them to the hot oil. Change the sides as they get the beautiful golden red color. Fry them in medium flame. Yes, they are ready now. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.